In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription with Autopod. So hopefully you got it for free and you're just doing the trial, or if you've had it for a while and you're saying, okay, cool, I'm good. So you have your main screen here. We are going to jump into it here. You have all your options. So I actually got this screen off of my email. So make sure you keep your email. So if you kind of look on the side, you have all your current plan and all that kind of stuff, and you have your email and you have your information right here. So what I had to do is I had to go onto the actual top on the address bar, and you're going to type in Autopod AI, and then it should give you the option. You're going to click the one that says autopod.fm. You're going to go to home, and then you're going to scroll all the way down, and you're going to go to manage active subscriptions. Then you're going to sign in with the email. I'm going to have this blocked out. And then it's going to send you a link over to the email address you put in. Then you're going to go to your email. I'm going to speed this up. So I'm on my email. Okay, cool. And then you're going to sign into Lemon Squeezy. And then it's going to have all your information right here, as in your subscription. So it should say manage your subscription and billing settings. And it's going to have your payment option. Either, I'm pretty sure you guys paid with a card. Then it's going to have the 3 dots on the right, and it's going to say cancel. And then you press that, and it's gonna, are you sure? Awesome. And you're gonna press cancel subscription. So it is valid up to the date you paid up to. So it doesn't just cut you off right then and there, which is awesome. Make sure to watch this video right here. It's gonna help you out so much, either if you're gonna use Autopod or Premiere Pro and even Capcut. I hope this helped out. And again, like, subscribe.